Good morning, my name is Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you guys are new. And I just want to say I am so happy for all of my new subscribers and thank you for subscribing and coming back to my channel. I am decorating for fall today on this day. So I'm decorating a little bit early, but just because I've got a lot I've been trying to get a lot done. I am actually in the middle of trying to get like 2 other videos filmed for you guys. So I just been really busy, so I just went ahead and decided to decorate a little early. This goes up on Tuesday. Today is Monday, so I had to take my kids to school, which was, oh my goodness, a hectic. I drive a stick shift Mustang, and the line leaving just to take my daughter to school was insane. My leg, my clutch foot is killing me. So it's just been kind of hectic and crazy. So this lamp, I am just filling it up with some leaves. And this lamp, I found this at Home Depot. I'm sorry. Found it at Home Depot. And it was $30, something like that. But I love this lamp because the top, I can just unscrew it and I can put like all my holiday decorations in there and just make it look super cute. And I like the way this turned out. I was actually looking for pumpkins, little small pumpkins, but I couldn't find some small enough to put in here, so I just found some leaves and I stuck those in there, and it turned out pretty cute. I was happy the way it turned out. And I do plan on filming a morning routine video, back to school and everything, but I'm just kind of trying to find our routine and get back in the groove of things. I drive my daughter to school, and my son is in high school now, so he rides the bus, and but my daughter's school is like 15 minutes away from our house, and his school is a little bit closer, but so I'm using my wallflowers that I get from Bath and Body Works, and the scent of that one was Vampire Blood. That is actually a Halloween scent. I don't have any fall ones. I need to get out there to Bath and Body Works. I'll probably go out sometime this week, maybe the weekend, just because it's about 20 minutes from my house, and I don't go to the other side of town unless I'm going for more than one thing or going to multiple stores. I don't make a special trip. But anyways, so I am just getting my little pumpkin set up there with some fall leaves. But that pumpkin, it doesn't stay. I end up taking that down and kind of switching it out with another one a little bit later. But even the other one that I put up, it didn't make the final cut. You guys will see that in another next video I will show you. I ended up putting a different pumpkin up there, which looked so much better. So now I'm just getting my fall leaves put right here, and I don't go overboard with fall. You know, I've got my leaves and some fall decor out and a lot of pumpkins, but now Halloween, I go almost all out for Halloween. But now Christmas, you guys will see, I love Christmas and I love Halloween, and I decorate my yard for Halloween, and I decorate the inside for Halloween, and even at Christmas I decorate the outside as well as my inside. But the inside of my house, it just throws up Christmas everywhere. So I love decorating for the holidays, and then decorating for fall. It just got me so excited for the rest of the holidays, and I'm just ready to decorate for all of them. Now this little pumpkin that lights up, I got that from Hobby Lobby last year And this is a big one. So I seen the last time I was out there at Hobby Lobby, they had some like this one, but they were a little bit smaller. So I don't know if they have any left by the time you guys see these, but a couple of weeks ago when I was out there, they did have some of these light up pumpkins. And last year I had these on my end table because I didn't have the lamps I have now. I didn't get those lamps until like Valentine's Day. So, but that's what I had used for little lamps in my living room. And then this fall sign, I actually bought that last year, but I did not hang it up last year because I put it up and didn't know where I put it, and I found it this year. So I've got it hung up this year, and this is what it looks like afterwards. So these pumpkins, I was trying to get them put up there just right so I can actually still open my cabinet doors, but I didn't want them up like too high but not too low. So I was playing around with those and it was getting a little frustrating, but I eventually got it. And if I'm talking too much, I'm sorry. Y'all let me know down below if you guys like it when I talk pretty much through the whole video, or, you know, talk a little less and just play more music. Y'all let me know what y'all prefer. Because I know before, when I first started my channel and doing my voiceovers, I didn't talk a whole lot through the videos. Like, I played more music. But having this YouTube channel has, you know, it's given me more confidence and talking more, just being more comfortable with everything. Before, like when I first started and filming, I just felt so awkward filming myself cleaning and then just listening to myself talk. So, but if you guys like that, let me know down below. So now I'm just kind of putting out some fall decor, and I had to switch out this ledge. My husband keeps his flashlight there to charge for work, and I'm trying to grow basil. It is taking super forever. And then a aloe plant. I like to keep some kind of aloe plant in my kitchen, just because I do burn myself. So now I'm putting my little thankful sign out, and I got that from Hobby Lobby last year. But you guys, it did not have the sunflowers and leaves on it when I bought it. It was just plain, and it was too plain for me. So I bought some sunflowers and leaves and some other little flowers, and I hot glued them on to the bottom of that sign just to make it cuter and give it more pop. This little candle stand, I absolutely love it. I had actually bought little pumpkin candles to go in there, but they didn't fit. So, and I got that at Hobby Lobby, and they were having a 40% sale. So I paid like $30 for it. Original price, I want to say, was like 60 something. But I did get it on sale. So, and I don't pay full price for a lot of stuff. I shop sales, and if it's not cheap enough, I will just kind of watch it until it goes down in price. I like to save money, but I like to have nice things. So, but anyways, I'm gonna get all of that done, and I'm just taking a little bit of the leaves that it broke off of this bigger strand of leaves, and I'm just gonna wrap it around the bottom just to kind of give it some color. But I like the way it turned out, and it got later in the day and it was about to start storming. It was actually about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it got so dark it was about to just start storming. But if you guys have any questions about anything I have, just let me know down below and I will answer you guys. And some of this stuff, sorry. And this, I guess I'm just going to put that away. I don't know where I'm going to put all of these other little decorations. This is just what I have left. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you guys some ideas. And if you guys have any questions, let me know down below and I will be so happy to answer you guys on where I got some of my stuff. But it's all in the video before I posted this. But I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday and a wonderful rest of your week, and I will talk to y'all next week.